Hey all, welcome back to Information Technology. So in this video, I'll be telling you the working of various tags. Okay, so here I'm using Sublime Text. You can use VS Code as well or any other. Okay, so first tag that I'm writing over here is HTML. And within this HTML tag, I'm writing head. And within this, I'll be writing title. And I have just enclosed it over here. See, this one is the opening tag, and this angular brace followed by a slash. This is the closing tag. Okay, this is the closing tag. So this is the first tag that we use when we are writing any HTML document. Okay. And within the title tag, what we write is whatever title you want to give to your page. And this title would be displayed on the browser, like on the tabs, like I show you. Here, like here, it is written Google over here, right? I just open another tab and here it is written new tab. So instead of new tab, the title that you give to your page would be displayed. Okay, so now back to it. Here I'm giving the title as introduction. Now we have to close this head tag, and now we'll begin with body tag. What we'll write in body tag is whatever you want to show on the browser, like whatever tag you are going to use in this and whatever content you are going to include in that content will be showed on the browser. Now what's the difference between using of body tag and title tag is that title tag would be displayed on the top bar, okay? And body tag, if you use whatever you write in that body tag, it will be displayed on the browser workspace area. So now, firstly, I'll tell you how to declare a comment in HTML. First, you use this angular brace, then followed by an exclamatory mark, and then some hyphens. Here, whatever you want to write, I'm writing here comment, okay, and some other hyphens, and then this angular brace. You can give any number of hyphens, you just give it as per your need. Okay, so now first tag that I'll be telling you is heading tag. I'm declaring it first as a comment, heading. Okay, now heading is also of h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, h6. These all are headings. So these are of 6 types. H1 displays the biggest font size, like you want the biggest font size, you want to display a text in a bigger font size, so you can use H1. And if you want to display a text in smaller font size, then you can use this H6 tag. So from here you are clear that H1 is used to increase the font size, not increase, I would say. It is used to give the heading in the maximum font size, and H6 will display the text in shortest or the smallest font size. Okay, so I'm using here H1 tag, and I'll write here hypertext markup language, and now just close this H1 tag, and I'll just copy whole of this thing and paste it in the next line, and I'll show you simultaneously the working of all these heading tags. Okay, I'll just change this headings over here. So yeah, now just close this HTML tag also, and then Ctrl plus S key combination for saving the file. And now what will happen is this file which you have saved with .html extension, guys, notice this thing, that if you are saving the file, then you need to save that file with .html or .htm extension, otherwise it would be saved as plain text. Okay, So now since I have saved the file with demo, okay, I have saved the file with demo, so I'll be opening it from the file explorer, and now it will be visible on the browser. See, like I told you, H1 shows the biggest font size, okay, and H6 shows the smallest font size, okay, and these are the medium ones, okay, like it will go on decreasing, this being the biggest, smaller, 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 and this one the smallest. Okay, so this was all about heading tag. Now we'll begin with another tag, that's paragraph tag. Okay, I'm declaring a comment over here again. So yeah, paragraph tag. Now for declaring a paragraph, we need to use p tag. Okay, so I'm just giving some sort of random text over here. Anything random, okay. Now I'll just increase the length of this paragraph by pasting the same thing again and again. Sorry. So yeah, I'm just increasing the length. Yeah, now I'll just close this p tag. Okay, and now you just save the file again, and now just view it in. Firstly, you need to refresh the page and then you'll see this text. See, it's coming here. Now, like I want to tell you one more thing, like here I'm giving this much space. Do you think it will be reflected on the browser? Let's see. Save the file again and then view it over here. Before that, refresh it. See, somewhere over here I gave a lot of spaces, but it's not visible over here. Now, if we want to view that space, what we will do is that we need to use this pre tag. Okay, like I'm telling you, I'll just paste whole of this text again. I'll just, for the time being, I'll just print this thing only, and let's see whether it will come or not. I'll paste it over here and I'll close this pre tag. Now let's see what happens with this pre tag. Save the file and then view it in browser again. Refresh it and then see. While using the pre tag, it's noticed that here we are noticing this space, but we didn't notice the space when we use the paragraph tag. So this is the difference, guys. If you want anything like in HTML, what happens is it doesn't preserve the spaces, but if you use pre tag, then it preserves the spaces. That's why we use pre tag. Okay,